John Robeson. I'm here in the Robeson Service shop with Bruce, and we're looking at the fish car. This is a 400,000 mile, one owner Silver Wraith that we're putting together. So it's a little more than just putting the engine in. Bruce will show us what we're doing.
Hey Don, how are you? Going through the hydraulics on your car, which are a major part of this car. We've got calipers here that the pads are stuck tight. You know, which is kind of an important thing.
So the brake pads are corroded in place, so we have to fix that because without that, the brakes won't apply or release. You can see we've pulled the calipers off the back wheels. We'll show them the lines and pipes we've done so far.
These lines here, these are the pipes that go to the calipers. They're all rusted and scaled up.
These are very, very badly rotted, and we've...
This is an improper repair right here. Even though it's lasted this long, that's not the correct way to repair these.
Yeah, and the new pipe is all visible under the car here.
I've got all new pipe work here. This was all rusted and scaled and ready to let go.
And really, you know, you want to put the engine in, but we have to have the foundation first. They've repaired the floor, and now we're threading in the pipes.
Once the engine is in and the hydraulic system starts working, these pipes are the weak link in the chain.
Yeah, and got the wiring. We got a lot of that cleaned up,
yeah,
right?
I've got new ends on the wiring. We had extra brake wiring that was here, so I ran it through the grommet. It's all secured up here on the firewall. New connectors there.
Yeah.
All these connectors were all corroded. I've got a new alternator battery wire that I made up that I've got to tape into the harness.
Yeah, we still got wiring to work on there. All of this work is the preparatory work to put the engine in the car. And we're in the thick of that right now.
I've got wiring like this here that is just, I've got ends that don't go anywhere. So and this is all got to be taken care of.
Yeah, this is how the car came in, and we really, you know, we need to fix this kind of stuff while it's apart and these things are accessible. So that is our focus right now. We're getting this car ready to ride again.